Hey guys, welcome back to Delph Stack, and today I will be showing you how to hide everyone from Instagram story at once. So, to do this process, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and open up your Instagram application into your device. So now, guys, you cannot instantly hide your Instagram story from everyone at once with a single button. There is no feature of Instagram, something like that. But I could show you an alternative ways in order for you to do this. So from here, go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then go ahead and go to the menu, which is the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. From here, guys, on this settings and activity, you will have an option over here who can see your content category. And now over here, you will have an option story and location. Go ahead and tap on it. And you will have an option over here, hide a story from. So go ahead and tap on it. And after that, from here, of course, since I don't have a following, there are no users showing up over here. But if you do, you should be able to select each and every one of them to hide everyone from your story. And you could just simply select done. And now, guys, if you really want to hide everyone from your Instagram story, you could just simply go ahead and tap on your story. And in short, you could just simply select more at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you could just simply delete it since you want to hide it from everyone. Or you could just simply tap on archive over here. So from here, your story will now be removed and only be on the archive. And from here, you should be able to put it on a highlight when you go to your archive as well. So pretty much if that is your main target to put it on a highlight, you should be able to see it over here. That's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.